Um, Hi, hello.
How are you? Are you getting a network?
Yes, totally. Like, am I audible enough?
Yeah, you are completely.
Yes, hi. It's so great to see you. I mean, all the fans were like waiting for you. Even I was excited to have this
Oh,
interaction with
wonderful,
you, know.
wonderful. Thank you so very much. You're
How are
looking
you, by the
great.
way?
I'm great.
Thank you.
I'm wonderful. How are you? How
I'm
is your quarantine?
pretty not too well, but then yeah, I'm just making sure that, I do something every single day and not keep the day idle.
All right.
So yeah, I'm really, really happy. I think like all the fans are here. So let's begin with this passion of, this great initiative by Seven Entertainment because they
Yes,
have
yes,
this
yes.
great initiative of Quarantine where, artists like you are being there, where fans can actually have this great chit chat with you.
Yeah,
And yes, I think it's a great initiative. And
yeah, yeah. Of course, of
thanks to
course.
yes, even thanks to Pokerbazi for, making this concept happen for the Seven Entertainment thing.
Yeah, I
Well,
mean, because right now the industry is shut and the fans don't have much to watch. So I think it's
yes.
a great initiative to, just interact with people and your loved ones and your favorite stars and everything.
Yes, totally. Well, so what's up? Like, what are you doing these days in this quarantine?
Yeah, I've been cooking a lot. I've been doing all the housework, cleaning, washing. I'm giving a lot of time to my dog. Um, I
Okay,
am
that's nice.
trying to keep my workout going because in such time when you are at home, you mostly feel like eating and only eating because when you're free,
Exactly.
your mind just needs carbs, right? And that gains a lot of weight. So
Totally.
I've been trying to just balance that. Also trying to make some creative things like I've been trying to do few choreographies so that I can
Yes.
put it for my fans and they can get entertained. Also, I'm trying to put some more acting based content so that they can
Okay.
enjoy that as well. Yeah.
Well, that's
So
that's
work
really
is
nice. Like you have been like a whole routine. That's totally nice. Like we would love to know your workout routine. Like I think many of the guys will be very much, interested to know about your workout routine, how you maintain,
yeah.
how
I
well maintain basically.
I would love to make a few videos for that as well because a lot of people are thinking what
Yes.
you can do.
Yes, totally. You should, like people are basically people don't get a right direction to work out, and when people like you who are very, very inspiring, upload workout routines, it's really, very glad. Like they actually inspire us a lot. So definitely you should upload few of the workout videos.
Hi again.
Hi. So like let's start take it like let's start with your life, how it all began, your life. Like I have actually seen you growing. I first saw you in DID, then D3. I have actually seen you growing and progressing every way,
How sweet.
and it is so good to see you today. So how is the journey, like how it all started, like your journey in the dance field, who inspired you in this dance genre?
To be very honest, what inspired me was lack of confidence in me. So I was
Okay.
very, very underconfident guy. I had hardly had friends, and I was not able to communicate with people and do things. So I saw one of my friend who used to dance, and everyone used to be his friends because he used to be a good dancer. So I
Yes.
just thought maybe I should try this, and this is how I started dancing. So first couple of years, I was just dancing for this thing that I should be, everyone should be my friends, and I should be the center of attraction and all that. But
Yeah.
slowly, it became a very big part of my life. I started learning more styles, and I started discovering more things, getting into the professional world. I even skipped my studies for dancing. I even
Okay.
got bashed by my dad and a lot of people, my family, for doing this. Because at that moment, it was very difficult to say or make your parents understand that you want to make a career into dance. because there was
Exactly.
not much scope. So yeah, it was a lot of difficult time, but yeah, it was my underconfident behavior in my life. Uh,
Okay. So actually, like you define this term that dance is a way of expression. Like it was a way of expression for you, like
yes,
you
yes.
being someone who never felt confident, but then dance allowed you to, present yourself in a much better form. So,
Yeah.
how was the platform of DID for you? Like what changed, like being in DID?
Oh, DRD changed everything for me. I mean, first of all, everyone accepted the fact that there can be a career into dance. First of all, the biggest thing.
Really, totally.
Uh, my parents felt so proud and make a name out of it, where the whole world can appreciate it and know me now. So that was one thing. The We got a chance to enter into the professional world, which is
Okay.
very difficult, and make a name for yourself, and start discovering work in the industry. I got D3 because of DID for sure. And a lot of more things I have got because of Dancing the Dance. It has changed our life completely. So yeah, and the amazing thing is, as on this live session, I would like to announce that I just got a call from ZTV, and as it's
Oh,
quarantine, so they are planning to restart the season two from tomorrow, from Sunday. So Sunday 1 p.m. our season's gonna be repeated. So that's one thing that people can watch.
okay. That's really nice. Like that would be a great thing,
Yes.
for everyone in this
Yeah.
quarantine.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like DID, the entire team of DID, I think it was great to watch everyone, I think the entire team was in
Hmm.
D3 as well, like your Dildo Se Dance. It was a great
Yeah.
show. I think one of the
Yeah.
hittest
Yeah.
show
Yeah.
I have ever witnessed, and I think
Yeah.
everyone is. Uh,
It
I
was.
still
It was.
remember those days when I used to, I think it was around 7 or 6. It used to come,
Yes. Yes.
that
Yes. Yes. Yes.
run like anything to watch this show specifically. So seeing you there
I.
as Divyan Singhania, if I'm not wrong, how was your
Yes.
yes? How was your experience as Riyan Singhania there in D3?
Oh my God, the experience were unforgettable. I have still not come out of Rayan Singhania. I love that name and that character so much. I love the show so much. Um, it has changed completely again my life, because it has given me a new identity as an actor as well.
So,
People have given me a lot of love for that. Got immense popularity because um,
mm.
and honestly, Rayan Singhania was somewhere a version of me where which I used to dream, कि my life should be like that. So yeah, Rayan Singhania was a part of me somewhere.
You actually suited so much in that role, being honest about it. You were like the main hero, the rock star. I don't know, you seem someone who was on with a rocking performance with the guitarist and someone like that.
Thank you
Like,
so very much.
everyone loved that show and specifically you. I'm truly like being honest about it.
That was so sweet. Thank you so much.
So your acting, I think this thing was like your first initiative in the acting field, right?
Yeah, the DID was the first thing.
Yeah. So after that,
Sorry.
I think there were a few more other shows like Ye Hai
Yes,
Aashiqui and Pyar Kiya Kya. Yeah,
yes,
I think it
yes,
was really
yes,
nice. Well, people were much more, relatable with the content, and
yes,
specifically the youth.
yes, yes, yes,
Yes.
of
How was
course.
the experience there as well? Like the things there
Amazing
in.
experiences. I mean, since I stepped into acting field, I just wanted to explore more and do more work. So all the work which was coming to me, I was very happy doing it because I get to play more characters. I get to
Okay.
live more lives because every show has a different character, different life.
Okay.
So it's always fun, as an actor, it's always fun because you get to live so many lives, so many characters of different people. Yeah, so it's always fun.
So like we are hoping you to be in Bollywood really soon then.
I have been trying for that, and hopefully, let's pray, and I hope it happens soon.
So any upcoming works you would like to share with us regarding film
Yeah, there were two projects which were
or
supposed
any
to
web
come,
series?
web projects were supposed to come
Okay.
on platforms, but because of now this situation, it has been pushed back. But yes, very
Okay.
soon there are going to be projects, and once I get to know when are they getting released, I will definitely announce.
Okay, okay, that's nice. In fact, you were in this show, like in this serial, I guess, the Namkaran. I guess that was a great serial, by the way. Like
Yeah,
there was a
it was
different
Bhatsap
look,
serials. Yeah.
like a different look of yours was there. So I think it was
Yes,
great
yes,
too. So how
yes,
was the
yes. Thank you
experience
so
there?
much.
Like, as you said,
Amazing.
different.
I was very happy because my work under Bhatsap, which was yeah, I enjoyed it very much.
So, I think I saw your recent update and regarding the D3 coming back. Like, is it true? Like, I'm really very excited.
Actually, we are trying to do a lot of skits for our D3 fans on our
Okay.
social platform, Instagram, for now, because we have tried a lot to get the show back on TV, but there were some professional issues because of which it is not able to come yet. So we just thought, ki, why not use this time and create something for the fans where they can enjoy as they are missing D3 a lot, and we can also enjoy doing it.
Yeah, totally, totally.
So
Like, I was
there are a lot of more skits gonna come.
okay. Well, oh, yeah, well, that's really nice, by the way. So, even we saw you in Nach Baliye with, Charlie Chauhan. So, how was
Charlie, yes.
that like all together, the duet performance? Like, it was really nice
Uh,
looking at you both. So, how was it?
it was wonderful. It was wonderful because it was a dance show, but at the same time, you get to work with your partner, and it's a different world. It's a different kind of a competition. We had a lot of ups and downs. We got a lot of fan following from Nach Bali as well. That was a very good
Agreed,
thing.
agreed.
So yeah, the Charmer 10-10 trend has started from Nach Bali. So
Okay.
yeah, it was wonderful.
It was like really wonderful to see you guys. I hope she's safe as well.
Yes,
So with
yes.
all such experiences, like which is your best experience so far? Any funny moment you want to share with us? Any funny
Uh,
memory as well?
about which show you asking?
No, no, not exactly any show. Anything like your with all
Anything.
this any funny
Oh,
incident.
I have a lot of memories of D3 for sure, and I have a lot of memory of DID as well. There are a lot of things like, जब हमें impromptu scene करने को कहा जाता था. There were times
Okay.
when a director used to ask that just go impromptu. So at that
Uh-huh.
moment, the way things used to happen, we used to create, and there are times when we have to do impromptu dance, like there is no preparation, but we have to do it because the show requires it. So those memories were
Yes.
amazing because उस टाइम पे आप अपने दोस्तों से अपने पार्टनर से एक अलग सा बॉन्ड क्रिएट करते हो because it's
Hmm.
impromptu. So there were amazing things happening, and at times we just used to screw up the scenes जानबूझ करके एक दूसरे की लाइन में फंबल करवाने का मजे लेने के लिए टाइम पास करते थे एक दूसरे कंफ्यूज करने के लिए सो वो सब भी
Yeah.
बहुत करते थे सो बहुत सारी मेमोरीज है
So I think you will be like missing all these things. बहुत याद आती होगी और ये सब
a
चीजों की.
lot
I think
a
back then in
lot a
2015,
lot
yeah. So, like, how is now dance going on in your life? Like, you're doing any session, you're practicing
dance
dance?
dance is less but it's not gone
Okay,
yes I do it but I do it for myself
okay,
and there's a lot of focus on acting as well
okay,
dance will never go away for sure but yeah
definitely.
it's happening and uh, it's pretty good I mean I hope I'll bring some more stuff for dancing and entertain people soon.
Yes, yes, you should. Like, many of the, fans were asking how long do you practice, dance? Because you might be practicing dance these days as this quarantine is giving you ample amount
There are
of time.
a
So,
lot of people are asking questions and uh, a lot of questions
yeah,
are coming up. I just checked it.
yeah, even I'm checking it right now. So how long do you
Well,
practice dance, in your day-to-day life?
as I, as I said, right now it's not happening a lot, but I am trying to do some stuff and create some dance videos and all that. So right now, honestly, even if you want to do it, the time is such that it makes you so lazy, it makes you so tired that you feel like not
Exactly.
doing it. Okay, मैं कल करूँगा, अरे मैं शाम को कर लूँगा, अरे मैं कभी और कर लूँगा. This time is
बिल्कुल.
too difficult. Like it's one
Exactly.
situation where you're completely free, but you still don't feel like doing it.
Exactly. मतलब काम के बीच सडनली फ्री हो जाना भी मतलब फ्री नहीं होना जैसा ही होता है.
Yeah.
I totally agree. I totally agree with you. So आपके प्लान्स क्या है पोस्ट मतलब पोस्ट लॉकडाउन के बाद कुछ प्लान स्पेसिफिक प्लान्स?
Post लॉकडाउन के बाद I seriously want to travel. मैं कहीं तो जाना चाहता हूँ.
ओके.
मुझे कहीं जाके घूमना है. If it is not raining, by the time it ends, I will go to Goa for sure. If it is raining, I will still try to go close by Lonavala or somewhere, but I want to go.
Okay, that's nice. Like you should, like after this lockdown, everyone is I think planning to,
I
travel
think
only.
everyone should travel because the nature is going to be beautiful. It's going to be clean and neat. So I think everyone should travel.
Totally. Yes. So, regarding this, let's see, nowadays everything is so digitalized now. Like in this quarantine, we have been going live, entertaining people, talking with your friends, basically. So, what change have you seen so far? Like you, as a, the beginning of your career, there were no such things of social media its influence,
No, no.
So now it's totally very much, impactful.
Yeah,
So, what's
yeah, yeah.
your perspective regarding this?
I eh, take it in both ways. It's good also, it's bad also. Good
Okay.
that a lot of people are getting to earn through social media and they can create their own platform and they can make a name for themselves,
Okay.
you know. I find it bad because there are a lot of people who don't do any kind of hard work and they just spoil the market of other artists and people who are working hard, by doing some cheesy stuff or someone do abusive stuff and someone does any kind of random things
Yes.
and suddenly they start making money and the market goes towards them. So
Totally.
I feel there are good and bad, and also people are getting addicted to social network every day. Jump
Totally.
to one app to another app. So yeah, these are the bad things about it. But yeah, there are a lot of good things. You get to interact with the people around the world. You get
Totally.
to see a lot of creative people. You can
Totally.
create your own platform if you're not getting one, and you can make your name.
Okay, that's really nice. Like, there are really very like young, like people who are really interested to be in this field, but very much nervous, and they're not sure if they will be doing good in this field. So, any message, for them, specifically dancers, for that matter?
See, doubts are always going to be there, right? There'll always be doubt in your head, whether you're studying, whether you're acting, whether you're dancing, or anything. So doubts are going to be there, and which is good. You need to be a little scared so that you give your best. The time you feel
Okay.
that I'm not scared and all, you tend to not give your 100%. So I believe if you want to do it and if you believe in yourself, just go for it. The time can be difficult, but it will pass on, and for no one, the time is same. Even to the biggest people, to the lowest people, you all have to go through tough time and then good time and then tough time and the good time. So this is how life is. If you are very sure about what you want to do, just go for it.
Totally, like agreed. Like you have been really inspiring us so far, like I can still imagine, watching back in, specifically in the years of 2014, 15, it was more into it. I still imagine, like I still remember all those days when you were there and you have been really a great inspiration,
Thank you
So
so much.
talking about the dance again, so you have been a trained dancer in contemporary?
I have never been a trained dancer. I have just learned by myself. I used to watch
Okay.
videos on YouTube and I used to copy them and learn by myself. Contemporary, I only got to learn when I stepped into DID because मैं टेरेस की टोली में था और वहाँ पे
अच्छा.
सारे contemporary dancer थे. So I had to
हाँ.
learn contemporary during DID. उसके पहले मैंने contemporary कभी किया ही नहीं था.
Acha. So what was your favorite dance genre except like contemporary? Which genre was your like
Hip hop.
comfort
I
zone?
I always been into hip hop. I always love hip hop. Contemporary came to me because of DID, but yeah, I've always loved hip hop.
Okay, so any specific move you want to show to our friends tonight?
Oh, move. It'll be difficult because I'm not in a proper position to show you. But maybe I'll upload it later on for fans to
Yes,
watch it, and the Seven Entertainment can just repost it.
yes, definitely, definitely, because people are asking, and to see you, dancing will be
No,
a
no.
great thing.
As I said, I have been planning to create dance videos and post it so that people can enjoy it and also learn from it. So that's going to happen soon.
Okay, so so as many of my I think fans and everyone are like asking questions, so I'll be doing a rapid fire thing with you. I think that would be great, so
Okay.
that we can cover up the main questions that they actually want to know about you. So let's
Mm-hmm.
begin with the rapid fire. I hope the network doesn't
Sure.
create an issue regarding the rapid fire.
Yeah, I hope so.
So your favorite current song?
Malang,
Okay, that's a favorite song of mine as well. So your favorite dance genre?
hip hop,
Okay. So something that you're binge watching right now?
Money Heist.
Money Heist. Great, great. I think Money Heist is like the hype of like
Yeah,
everywhere. It's like
yeah.
Money Heist. So all-time favorite dancer of yours? All-time favorite dancer.
Dancer. Oh,
Yes, all-time.
I have been in love with Justin Timberlake. I used to follow him a lot. He's a
Okay.
great dancer, and apart from that, Usher, I used to follow him also a lot.
Okay, that's nice. Any Bollywood celebrity crush?
Right now, Tara Sutaria. I'm in love with her.
Sakarya it is. Okay, and someone who inspires you.
A lot of people, yeah, nowadays, when I see a lot of uh, people who are going through tough time and coming back and just making a name from themselves, they all inspire me. Everyone who is just fighting with their current scenario and still making a name and standing inspires me a lot. So I get my inspiration from everyone. I don't get my inspiration from people who are right there on top, but everyone who's making their way is very inspirational.
Basically, you are like the great learner. Like you can adopt whatever is necessary for you, right?
Yeah, yeah, I love doing that.
That's
I mean, we should always learn.
exactly. So your favorite collaboration so far?
Collaboration, as in some brand you're talking.
No, not exactly, but work you have done like so far, or your favorite work so far.
My favorite work so far would be D3, definitely.
Your favorite food?
Food or phone?
Food.
Food. I love all kind of food to be very honest, but
Okay, you love.
yeah,
Oh,
I love Chinese especially.
okay, that's nice. That's my favorite too. Glad to know about your favorites. Um, so before like wrapping up and everything, I would like to
Hmm.
like I would ask you if you can share a message of the people regarding they all are so bored in this moment, all are trying to go
Yeah,
out
yeah, yeah,
and
yeah,
find.
yeah, yeah.
So any specific message for them so that they can heal this entire lockdown and understand what's the best for them.
To be honest, I feel we just need proper planning. It's not that, it's a time when you are like, you have nothing to do, you're so bored. No, it's a time where you have a lot to do. You just have to plan it. Like how you can dance or you can create a craft that you're good at, painting, singing, doing any kind of the YouTube is available and YouTube teaches you a lot. So anything that you want to
Yeah,
learn, you just need to plan your day. You can work out, you can dance, you can cook, you can learn to cook if you don't know. You can clean your
totally.
house, you can even plan things what you want to do after this in your future and work on it. you can read a lot about books and watch a lot of news, because I know since this social media and everything is up, people don't watch news. They don't just watch
Exactly.
news, right? So it's very important to watch the news, but the right news, because news channels are
Totally.
also creating a lot of drama nowadays. So
Exactly.
you
Exactly.
can actually plan your day properly, thinking that मुझे ये सीखना है और मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है. And then you
Yes.
will see time passing by this. You won't even get time to like realize कि
Totally.
oh shit सुबह हो गई शाम हो गई.
Agreed. Agreed. Like, I think people should really understand that how it's important to, isolate and,
Yeah.
social distance from them. And
Yeah,
I think,
I also want to say, tell people that they are not realizing that how much the police and doctors are suffering right now. The police
agree.
people have to stand for you 24/7 so that you can be protected, and their life is on risk because they are out the whole day, right?
Hmm.
They're also getting deduct their salary so that the we use to help corona people to recover from that. The doctors are suffering and a lot of people are dying. So we need to understand that we are putting their life in danger just for our fun, just because हम घर पे बोर हो रहे हैं और हमें बाहर
Hmm.
निकलना है. We are putting their life on risk. They're not only doing their duty, they are suffering, they are getting stone pelting, they are getting abused words, and also उनकी सैलरी भी कट रही है, उन्हें अपने घर वालों से भी दूर रहना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि वो लोग हाई रिस्क पे हैं.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
So all we need to do is sit at home and save their life.
Exactly. मतलब घर में बैठ के ही सेव कर सकते हैं, फिर भी लोग निकल रहे हैं, ये गलत बात हो जाती है फिर.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah. It's a great message by, by you, for all your friends and whoever is listening and watching this thing. I would
Yes,
also
yes,
ask everyone to stay at home and take care of themselves.
yes.
अपने घर वालों के साथ रहे, खुश रहे. एंड अगर सब लोग लाइक बोर हो रहे, तो क्वारंटाइन चल रहा है सेवन एंटरटेनमेंट में, तो आज जैसे तो कुंवर अमर थे हम लोग के साथ, एंड ऐसे ही बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट रहेंगे आप सबके लिए. यू शुड डू योर दिस थिंग.
Yes, yes,
And
yes.
any more message to your friends, like from your side, from your work, because I think everyone is asking about your work, like next project.
Yeah, a lot of people
And
are asking. So, yeah, guys, I am planning to deliver some work for you guys. As you all know, we are doing a lot of D3 skits. So all the D3 fans can be happy because we're gonna show you a lot of D3, and we're trying to get everyone back, all the artists, it depending on their availability and their choice if they want to come back. But we will deliver stuff for you. I will create some more stuff for you, and yeah, just be at home, stay happy, stay with your family, stay healthy. And yeah, Seven Entertainments, thank you, and Pokerbazi, thank you for creating this, and you being such a great host, thank you for that.
thank you so much. It was really lovely to have you, tonight and interact with you. It was like a dream come true in a way, and
So sweet, thank
seeing
you.
you grow in like TV and like seeing you tonight like in live is something really very,
Thank you
thankful.
so
I feel
much.
really thankful. Personally, I feel really very thankful.
Thank you.
And okay, then I will be signing off. Then I hope everyone stays safe. Thank you, Seven Entertainment. Thank you, Poker Bazi, for your great initiative. And that's all. So it was nice talking to you. Like, take care of yourself. Stay at home.
Same here, same here.
Bye.
Thank you. Yes, thank you so
Thank
much.
you.